Okay, there's your question there. You want to hear this record here. Sorry for the delay. I see a small little possible surface scratch on there, and the other side looks really nice. So let's play it for you so you can hear it through. Sorry it took so long, just swamped with tons of projects right now. So let's play this for you. Okay, so cue her up. Helps if the amp is on.
Baby, I'm not joking, and it's not what I'm smoking.
A little bit of crackle. Let me just blow the needle off just in case that's what it is. Blew the amp. Yeah, a little bit of hissing and popping on it. There's definitely some hissing and popping on that one, and it looks beautiful, so I don't know what the hell's going on there. Need to brush that off. It's the other side. Well, there's definitely some hissing and popping. It looks beautiful. I don't understand, but it is what it is. So that's the record. Sorry it took so long to play it, but it is what it is. If you want to bid on it, go for it, man. Thanks, man. Have a good one.